Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can alert you when you pick it up after missing a call or message? This helps you make sure you don't miss important notification. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Motion and Gestures. Find Alert when phone picked up and turn it on. With this enabled, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up if you have missed calls or messages. This makes it easier to notice missed notification without checking your screen first. And that's how you enable alert when picking up your phone on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.